Good day, everyone. I am Baby Jane Antonio, and I am affiliated with Manapla National High School in Manapla, Negros Occidental. And I am currently enrolled in Recoletos de Bacolod Graduate School, taking up Master of Arts in Education, major in Social Science. The paper which I am going to present today focuses on the learning interest and awareness on the sectors of the economy of economic students in public high schools in Western Visayas. Learning interest enhances student engagement, motivation, academic and professional pursuits leading to academic success. Thus, a strong learning interest improves subject knowledge, awareness, and academic performance. Awareness on the sectors of the economy is a key concept that students should learn to understand its contribution to the nation's growth. Economic development in countries is significantly shaped by the economic sectors, that is, agriculture, industrial, service, and informal sectors. With this, schools at the secondary level are ideal for teaching economics, helping students gain essential competencies and awareness of its concepts. In the Philippines, economics is a key part of the Araling Panlipunan K-12 curriculum in junior high schools, covering sectors of the economy. However, one prevalent concern in our country is the apparent lack of student interest in the subject, often perceived as dull and uninteresting. In the same manner, as seen in public schools in Central Philippines, challenges were identified contributing to poor academic outcomes in Araling Panlipunan subjects, highlighting lack of sufficient knowledge of the essential competencies. Students face challenges with economic concepts, particularly the sectors of the economy and related policies, where students scored poorly in this area, indicating an approaching proficiency. Multiple studies have been conducted on learning interest in economics by the following: Simberi, Chesnell and Yorwald, and Emmanuel. There were also several studies undertaken in the field of economics, Dinder and Guan. Similar studies on learning interest and awareness in economics was also conducted in Nigeria by Obelor and Wagbo, and in Germany by Schnell and Gerwald. However, there has been limited literature on learning interest and awareness on the sectors of the economy and the correlation of both, especially in the Philippines. And this is the gap that this study would like to fill in. Thus, this paper aims to assess the degree of learning interest in the sectors of the economy among economic students in selected public high schools in Western Visayas during the academic year 2023 to 2024, when they are taken as a whole and grouped according to sex, grade, and parents' educational attainment. It also aims to measure the level of awareness on the sectors of the economy in the areas of agricultural sector, industrial sector, service sector, and informal sector when they are taken as a whole and grouped according to the demographics. Specifically, this paper wants to determine the following. First, the difference in the degree of learning interest of economics when they are grouped according to sex, grade, and parents' educational attainment. Second, the difference in the level of awareness on the sectors of the economy of economic students when they are grouped according to the demographics. And lastly, the relationship between the economic students' learning interest and awareness on the sectors of the economy. The findings of this paper may serve as a basis for drafting a strategic instructional materials on the sectors of the economy to develop and improve the instructional content in understanding the concept and mastering the skills on the said topic among the economic students. The study will utilize a quantitative research design, particularly descriptive, comparative, and correlational approaches. The respondents of the study shall be the 198 economic students among public high schools in Western Visayas, and they will be determined using stratified random sampling. To directly assess the degree of learning interest and level of awareness on the sectors of the economy among economic students, a validated and reliability tested researcher-made questionnaires will be utilized. First, in the degree of learning interest, it consists of 20 statements in a checklist form using a 5-point scale such as 1 very low, 2 low, 3 average, 4 high, and 5 very high. Second, the level of awareness on the sectors of the economy will be consist of 40 items using the following scale of responses in ascending order, which is 1, fully not aware, 2, not aware, 3, neither aware or not aware, 4, aware, and 5, fully aware. In the data collection process, before it, the self-made questionnaires will be validated by 10 subject matter experts and will undergo a pilot testing among 30 non-actual respondents, but sharing the same characteristics as the actual respondents to properly address the study's main objective. Additionally, permission will be sought from the school principal, subject coordinator, and teachers to conduct the study. Once approval is obtained, participants will be briefed on the study's objectives, nature, and scope, and their willingness to participate will be considered. In analyzing the data for the descriptive problems, it will be determined using mean, standard deviation, frequency count, and percentage distribution. However, inferential tools will be determined after the conduct of normality test. The researcher will ensure that the study adheres to the fundamental principles of respect to person, justice, and beneficence, aligning with the standards set forth by the Philippine Health Research Ethics Board to uphold ethical soundness, and these are social value, informed consent, vulnerability of participants, risk and benefits, privacy and confidentiality, justice, transparency, researchers' qualification, adequacy of facilities, and community involvement. And lastly, here are the references cited by the researcher. Have a great day.